Hi, this is Gregory Paul, UR 16 CS 127, and I'm here to do my 10th experiment in C++, virtual function file handling. So first we are going to do the program about virtual function. Program is to find a class polygon contains data members with width, height, and public method set value to assign the values to width and height. Class rectangle and triangle are inherited from polygon class. Both classes contain public method calculate area to calculate the area of rectangle and triangle to use base class pointer to access derived class object and show area calculator. So this is our program code. So I have created a class shape in public. Under public I have created a function called virtual. So I have created a function in area and I have given it as virtual. If we given virtual, if we are calling this function under class shape, it won't print that. It will print that, and it will print all the functions which is given as given the same name and the other classes. So here we have given that virtual int area, cout area, virtual void display the shape is. So I have created a inherited class circle public shape. I have initialized radius as integer and areas as float function. And the public, I have created a function called get data as void, and given the output into the radius, c in radius, in area is equal to 3.14 into radius, and with output it will show the area of the circle, and it will display, and I have given a display function both display and shape is circle. So I have given another class called class rectangle, which is initiated from public shape. I have initialized length and in the breadth as integers, area as in public. I have created the function get data, area, and display. Inside get data, I have given the output as enter the length and breadth, given input length and breadth. In area, given that area is equal to length in the breadth and cout area. And display, I have given the display function, the shape is rectangle. So I have created a third class for triangle, trapezoid public shape. I have initialized length, breadth, and height as integers, and int as area as integer. Under public, I have created a function get data, which is no data return type. Output enter the length, breadth, height. Given the input as length, breadth, and height. In the function area is equal to length plus breadth divided by 2 and height, and will give the output as area, and it will give the whole display as here the shape is trapezoid. So here I have created an object for circle, and object for rectangle, and object for triangle, and I have created a pointer obj for shape, and I given the address of circle object to obj is equal to ampersand of here, obj arrow display. So it will point to the function display. I have created at the I have called another function here get data, and we will do it for rectangle and triangle. So finally the program will be executed. The shape is circle, under the radius 5, area is 78.5, the shape is 78.5 and 2. The area is 10, under the length, breadth, and height. Length is 5, breadth 7, and height is 2. The area is 2. So the program has been executed successfully. Our next program is to create a C++ program to read the file and convert all the vowels to uppercase and read that in vowel text and write the consonants in consonant file. So this is our program code. I have initialized istream, manip, and fstream. Include fstream. This is namespace cd. Inside my main function, I have initialized x as character. I have called ifstream here to read the text from the file. So I have given the file location. I have used offstream function here to output to create other file for to save the uppercase vowels and other to say the consonants. So here I have used a while loop here, and given the condition infer extraction x. So I have given an if condition here. If x is equal to a, x is equal to e, x is equal to I, and x is equal to u. If it's correct, x will be to upper of x. So it will create, it will print all the upper, all the vowels in uppercase. It will word file insertion of x. So it will insert the x to the file word file. I'll see out of x, and it will insert the x to the consonants to the console. See out and in file close, it will close the in file, word file close, and console close. So the program has been done. So you can change and add a b c d e f g h I j k, enter, and we will save this just from the program. So it's showing that all the vowels in uppercase letter and the consonant in lowercase letter, and we can take where the file location is. And vowel, the vowels are a, e, I, and the consonants are b, c, d, f, j, h, j, k. So the program has been executed successfully.